Hi everyone, it's Chiaki. Today it's so special because carbonara recipe. I love Italian food, but today's carbonara is no egg and also no dairy too. So vegan, and also I'm gonna use zucchini pasta too, so gluten free. So excited. Let's get started.
I have worked in traditional style Italian restaurants and respect the traditional version of carbonara. For today, I'm making a vegan and allergy-friendly version that everyone can enjoy. Here are the ingredients you will need: zucchini pasta, pumpkin, mushroom, dried tomato, white miso paste, and soy milk, salt and pepper, and rice flour. Okay, first we need to is pumpkin. Today we want our pumpkin sauce to be that perfect egg color, so while I normally keep that skin on for the extra nutrients, we will trim it off. The sun-dried tomatoes give this dish deeper, almost smoky flavor. They really help making this dish delicious while staying vegan. Comment below if you want to see how to make smoked sun-dried tomatoes at home. Next is mushroom. I wanted to add this just because I love mushroom. It's also a great match with creamy type sauces. Okay, let's make the sauce for carbonara. First, we need to cook the pumpkin. You can use microwave or boil it, but steamed is the best way to cook for pumpkin. We will paste it, so put the mixer or blender cup. Add soy milk and rice flour, white miso, salt and pepper, and then mix it all. In the traditional version, the strong rich flavor comes from egg yolk and a lot of Parmesan cheese. To get that great flavor here, we will use white miso paste. If it is still not strong enough for your taste, you can add more salt and pepper or vegan cheese. Alright, time to cook. Let's start by tossing in some fine chopped garlic and olive oil, letting it simmer on low for minutes to season the oil. Then just toss in the rest of the raw ingredients and saute until soft. For the zucchini pasta, prepare boiling salted water and cook the zucchini for only 30 seconds. This gives them a smoother texture and taste. No need to strain them, just use tongue to transfer them to the pan. Pour in the sauce we made earlier and let it simmer so all the flavors can get to know each other. Transfer the noodle over to the plates. Then you can saute the remaining sauce to thicken it up a bit more and pour it on top. Trust me, you don't want to miss a drop of this delicious sauce. Now eat and enjoy! If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to this channel for lots more great tips and ideas. Please leave a comment below and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
In the next video, I will show you how to make Asian zucchini noodle and pesto pasta recipe. So make sure to check it out. See you then. Bye!